Alright, welcome to Saxon's Algebra 1/2. We are using the second edition book and we're on lesson 55 today. Lesson 55 is on decimal part of a number. Now we've done fractional parts of a number and we know that there was a formula, f times of equals is. We're going to use the same thing with decimal parts of numbers to set up our equations. So let's just plunge right in and get going and work some problems together. Alright, so the problem is 4/10 of what number is 72? So I write it as 4/10 times n equals, that's is, 72. I need to get n by itself, so I'm going to divide this by itself, and then I'm going to divide by 0.4 over here, and I'm going to get my answer is n equals 180. Alright, what decimal part of 240 is 90? This means multiply, this means equals, so 240 times D, I just use D for decimal, it could be N or P or whatever, equals 90. I need to get D by itself, so I need to divide here 240 by itself, so I'll also have to divide on this side 240 by itself. Now I could do that as a simplified fraction, but it wants a decimal, so we need to convert this to a decimal number. When I do, and you're more than welcome to use your calculator on this, D equals 0.375. Okay. Alright, this one says 4/10 of 72 is what number? So that's what it says in words. This is what it says as an algebraic equation. Alright, here we've already got n by itself, so really all we have to do is do the math. 72 times 4/10 is 28 and 8/10. Alright, so let's work our practice problem here. 7/10, and we're going to write it as a decimal, not a fraction, of what number is 1400. So I need to divide by 7/10 on both sides, and I will get n equals 0.14 times 0.7, move this 1, move this 1, move it up. And 7 will go into 14 two times, so n is 2/10. 7/100, so that would be 0.07 times 86 is what number? Well, n is already by itself, so we just have to say 86 times 0.07, do the math, and then count our decimal places, and we get 6 and 200 as our final answer. Final practice problem for today. What decimal part of 72 is 30 and 2400? Alright, to get D by itself, I'll need to divide by 72 on both sides. That will cancel out, leaving D equals, let's do this, 30.24, move this two places, move this two places, and it's done. Now 72 won't go into 30, but it will go into 302. I'm thinking 4 times 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. So if we subtract here, we get 4, and we get 1, and we bring down the 4, and 72 will go into 144 2 times, so D equals 42. 42 is 30.24 of 72. Alright, I'll see you back tomorrow for lesson 55.